Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTv, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is Auntie Shade and we start our circle time by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, what day is it today, friends? Do we know? Well, take a look. Friday! Yes, today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. All day long, all day long. Yes, and we are in the month of November. Now, let's say the days of the week and the months of the year. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yes, so let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good. Now, it's time to find out about the weather. And how can we find out about the weather? Well, we need to sing our weather song, of course. So let's sing the weather song together, friends. Let's go. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Right. Now we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we all are having today. Take a look, friends. Well, my friends, it's a cloudy day today. Yes, and that's some interesting weather, right? Now, let's find out about our color of the day. What's our color of the day? Well, take a good look, friends. Our color of the day is the color red. Yes, good job. Now, let's find out about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today, friends, is a semicircle. A semicircle is like half of a circle. Now, what's our number for today? Our number for today is the number 2. Yes. So, what can we do to count to 2? Yes, that's a great idea. Let's shake our heads and count to 2. Are you ready, friends? Well, let's go. 1 and 2. Great job. We counted to 2 and we shake our heads together. All right, my friends, now it's time for our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is...
Our letter of the day today is the letter R. R for run. R for robot. R for radio. R.
Now that we know our letter of the day, let's talk about our area of the day.
Our area of the day today is Russia. Russia is a large country located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It is one of the largest countries by area And in Russia, they speak Russian. There are many beautiful places to visit, and it's a place where it's known for very cold winter. Yes, so Russia is a country.
Well, my friends, it's time for our lesson for today.
Our lesson for today is a cooking lesson, and today we are going to be talking about and making suckerbags. Suckerbags are a popular thing in Trinidad and Tobago especially, right? And it's very good when the sun is very hot. There are two kinds of suckerbags. One is the juice flavored one and the other one is made with milk. Now let's make our suckerbag using some simple ingredients. We are going to need a pack of Kool-Aid, 2 to 3 cups of water, and half a cup of sugar. Now what you need to do next is put your ingredients together in a bowl and mix them very well. You can taste your mixture just to make sure there's enough sugar and everything is tasting really good. Now the next thing you need to do is pour your mixture into a clear bag so that you can tie them and place them in the refrigerator. Then you freeze your sucker bags for as long as it takes for it to get firm, or at least 1 to 2 hours. After you've done this, now you can take out your sucker bag and enjoy.
Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you tomorrow and have lots of fun. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.